Today we're adding a bold, energetic effect, the electric flip reveal. This effect makes your footage flip into view with electric style animation, which looks great for intros and fast transitions. Let's get started. First, import your clip into CapCut and tap to select it. Now, go down to the bottom toolbar and tap Effects. Next, choose Video Effects. And remember, video effects in CapCut Mobile are applied directly to the clip from the categories. Open the split tab, scroll until you find an effect called Electric Unfurling, then tap to apply it. Instantly, your clip will reveal with a sharp electric flipping motion, almost like glowing energy plates folding open to show the video. To adjust how fast this animation plays, tap again on the effect. Here you'll see a speed slider. Drag right to speed up the flip for a punchy hop cut transition. Drag left for a slower dramatic unfold reveal. You can also drag the effect edges on the timeline to make it appear for a longer or shorter duration. And that's it. You've created an exciting electric flip reveal effect in CapCut Mobile, perfect for stylish reels and energetic edits. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile tutorials.